Welcome YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean.
I'm Zena.
And we are back
with the part 2 of what we did yesterday. But today we spicing it up a little. I got the ghost pepper fries. We're gonna try these. And I got cheesy tots. That's all they had on the menu. So Sean says they're good, so I never tried them. So, and then of course we got the sandwiches from yesterday. But I got him 2 sandwiches, so I gotta see which one. This one's yours. That one. Yeah. So I got the regular classic one again, but I got him the bacon melt. So we're gonna see how his looks today. But I'm gonna still show you what mine looks like. We got barbecue sauce, and then of course can't forget the fries.
I can't do that.
We got the fries. Finna stop rattling y'all's here. Alright, let's get into it. Well, since we tried these, since I tried this one yesterday, I'm gonna go ahead and try a cheesy top first.
Let me see if they...
This how it looks.
What do you think? Good, ain't it?
They're good.
Yeah. Eat that with some...
It's like a weird taste, but...
Eat that with like a meat or something.
That's really good. It's like a cheesy tater tot.
Hold it up.
They looked nasty.
Cheeson, they look disgusting. Nah, sir, you don't know what
on the
you're
advertisement.
You don't know what you're missing.
Got the ghost pepper.
I'm gonna wait and see your reaction before I just dive into it. What you done?
It's got a little spice at the end. So these is way better than the regular ones because just a little spice.
You gotta wait. You know how the spiciness happens.
It's just a little spicy. It's gonna be spicy after you eat all these. But like it builds up. Taste it.
Come on, bro.
I had to get you to try it. It's hot, ain't it?
Why you trying to play me, bro?
I didn't play you. I said the spice builds up. And that's what it's doing.
You know I don't like hot stuff like that.
Well, don't eat my chicken. This is for me.
I'm saying though, bro, like, come on now. Trying to trick me and shit.
I said it's good. I said it's way better than the original. Because it's got spice to it. I said the spice builds up. You don't taste the spice as soon as you bite it.
As soon as you swallow?
Exactly. I said this thing builds
too late,
up.
man. Look at my eyes.
You finna cry, y'all.
Leave, bro. Y'all gonna shut me up and shit. You gonna wipe my ass if I blow up in the goddamn bed?
You ain't blowing up in no damn bed.
I ain't gonna lie, it is good though. It is good.
Men just gotta complain about something. These are good, but I ain't gonna eat too many.
Oh, a little cheese. You can surely take that. You just, you know. Oh, no. Should set you up. Go ahead, no cheese in it. Bah.
You can't set me up because I know how to read cheesy tots.
Get to the main course.
You could have been done showed them yours. Yours is a different one.
Y'all
Let's
remember
see.
this wrap?
So milky.
They did me a little better on it.
Oh yeah, they did good this time.
You know, they did a little better.
Yeah, I got the regular one.
Alright.
So this is how mine looks from yesterday. They did way better than yesterday. And then these are the little onions we was talking about.
Dig in.
And then that's that sauce. Still delicious.
Need more. Oh, sauce, yeah, good.
Don't be taking my sauce for your sandwich. I need that for my chicken. They did skimp us on the sauce today, though. These are good.
Feel like you just got off the grill.
Let me try a bite. Now that one really tastes like the Bacon King because he got bacon on it. Just the sandwich for this is $5.49, but the meal is $8.49. That's not bad. And these was $3.99, and the cheesy tots is $3.49.
Yeah, that's good.
Delicious.
Yeah, we ended up not leaving when the video ended yesterday, but I was like, for sure, when we both get off, gotta go see what that's about.
So we got it today.
Hey, you all day for this. No, that's right. Ugh, what's that? That's right.
I wish that other one that they had was jalapenos. You didn't want none of these, did you? One left. I'm killing these little chicken things. She should have already knew I love chicken.
No, hold on, no.
Scared you're gonna have to do the butt.
Scared my tongue won't fall off. I don't know if because yesterday was hotter or whatever, but I think yesterday it was hitting way harder.
Yeah, it seemed like.
It is gonna get you full though.
Yesterday was better, but I feel like it was sloppier than this. Like yesterday we had way more sauce than this. Like I barely even got sauce on mine today.
Yeah. Well.
I feel like maybe they put sauce on top and bottom yesterday, and only top today.
Yeah, I ain't even started on my second one.
No, you chunky and want it. I'm going to start on that second one. I'm trying.
You want my sauce? Girl like that, I think you look. She looked at it like you're missing out.
The barbecue sauce added on here makes it taste like it came off the grill. Open up. Show them that bacon. Make sure y'all took y'all bite. Try it now. It is delicious though. Come on. Don't be stingy.
Oh.
Leah, give me some, sir.
Well,
I give all that a 10 out of 10.
yeah, it's gonna get you full for real. Guess we can go in and wrap this up.
You know you won't finish that,
Yeah, what I'm
chunky.
saying. Let's go and finish, wrap it up.
Well, that's all for this video. We just had to do a part 2 because it was so good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post bell notifications on. Excuse me. Let me restart.
So that ghost pepper.
No, it's this freaking drink. I hate sodas. Let me restart. See? Come on. But that's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post bell notifications on to get notified every time we post. Peace.